Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Dollar Tree foundation makeup. So I'm going to be using three products. One is the foundation, the second one is the pressed powder, the third one is the blush. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll try to use blush on my eyelids and see how that will pop up and stuff like that. So for the first item, I have Dahlia here, which is the blush. I showed you this items doing a haul that I did at Dollar Tree, so I promised you guys I was going to do a tutorial. So you guys know this is by PB Pure. You know, they have this brand a lot at Dollar Tree. So discover the Essentialness collection exclusive. Okay. So this is how it look. Okay. So this is how it look. So we're gonna be using that, and then the pressed powder, I got it in medium deep by the same brand. It's either B Pure or PB Pure. So correct me down, because it has the P down and it has the B up. Is it PB Pure or B Pure? Okay, so that's that. So this is the pressed powder. It looks like this. This is in the medium deep. Okay. And then for the foundation is this one as well. I got this in the medium deep. Okay. So this is a tutorial, guys. So we're going to see how this. So this is how it look. The medium deep. That's how it look right here. Okay. Hopefully it will matches my complexion. And for the blush, this how it look, y'all. Okay. And then for the pressed powder, that. Okay. So that's that. So the first thing that we are going to do is to wipe our face with whatever you want to wipe your face with. Cloth, paper, or wipes, whatever you want to wipe your face with. You can go right on ahead. Okay. So I'm going to use my micellar water, and then we're going to wipe my face, even though I have done this morning, but let's just act like we didn't do it. So okay, so now let that dry, and then you're gonna put your moisturizer on. Yes, need to put your moisturizer on. Even though it's a Dollar Tree product, you still gotta put your moisturizer on, okay? And then for our primer, you guys, I'm gonna use Milk of Magnesia. I have used this plenty of times on my channel, you guys, so we're gonna be using today. I have a brush here that I use just for it, you know, so. Okay, so while we have done so, let's go ahead and actually prime our face or eyelid and put a little bit of primer to see if it will bring that out a little bit, you know. So let's just blend that out. Okay, so now we're going to use our blush. Yes, you can use your blush as your what do you call it, as your eyeshadow. Yep, yes you can. Alright, you guys, so that's that right there. So now let's go in with our foundation. Okay, so gonna put our foundation, our brush, and let me put it on my skin so you guys can see it more. It's watery, but not too, as you can see. It's lightweight. You guys can't really feel it. Very, very lightweight. So this will be perfect for people that don't like makeup because it's very, very lightweight. It's really, really nice. And guess what? I haven't even looked at any reviews, to be honest. Yeah, I never looked at any one of them. So yeah, so this is for people that don't like makeup, but at the same time, again, ooh, I like this. Okay, it's really, really light. Okay, you guys, so my camera died on me, so yeah, this is the second little bit of, yeah, second layer that I put on. But when I tell you, you guys, look at it. When I tell you it's lightweight, it's lightweight. You know, it's really, really lightweight. I think I might go look for the little the other one that says, you know, this is medium deep. Maybe I'll look for dark, but this is really, really nice, y'all. Okay, so now that's all I'm going to put, but when I tell you it looks so nice and flawless, nice and flawless. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so now let me go in with my concealer. No, this concealer is not from Dollar Tree. It's just those 3 items that I told you about. That's about it. But yeah, so you can use whatever concealer you want to use, but you guys, like I said, I did not look at any reviews to see what people think. I really didn't. I forgot about that. I didn't have time to do that. I just went straight on doing the tutorial, which sometimes is good, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. This will be great for like going to work. You don't want too much people to notice you. This might be the one that you need. Yes, do you see that? Yes. And if you want to mix it with your other foundation, you can. You can, to give you, you know, if you want me to mix it up with another foundation, let me know, like Maybelline, you know, to see the effect. But you guys, look at this. This is the perfect one you need to go to work. Really lightweight. Really, really lightweight, you guys. Yes, really, really lightweight. So now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, you guys. You guys, when I tell you this is lightweight, this is lightweight. Okay, this is lightweight. Okay, so now I'm using this to contour my face. My don't even know the brand. Oh, Black Radiant. Okay, so now let's do the pressed powder for the face itself, which is this. Okay, so I'm gonna do the pressed powder. I don't think it's my shade, but we're going to wipe this off like so. I don't think the pressed powder is for me, but I like the foundation. Yeah, I think if I would have got a deep, it would have been better. They didn't have it. That's why. But it's not bad. But it's not my shade either. You know what I mean? So, yeah. For the blush, you guys, from my opinion for the blush, it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. According to what I'm looking at, it's not bad at all. So let's try to, let me spray my face first. And then okay, so now we are going to use the blush on me. I'm not gonna use no highlight because I told you guys I'm only gonna use the blush. Ooh, that's too much. My shirt is picking up some of the, okay. Alright. I'm not doing too much because I want you guys to literally see. I'm not going nowhere anyway, so I'm just doing tutorials today. Yes, so you guys, what do you guys think? Let me contour my nose a little bit. You guys, like I said, for the blush, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. For somebody that doesn't like pigmentation too much, this might work for you. For me that like pigmentation, it's okay. Okay, you guys, so you can make this work just like I did. So it's not how much the product costs, it's how you work with the product. You can play with it. You know, you don't have to use the blush as eyeshadow like me. You can just use it like the way I did on my face as a blush. You don't have to. You can find an eyeshadow and try to pop it up. But I don't like this because it's not my shade, but it does work. I just don't like being medium, I want it deep, so next time. But like I said, I was giving this 6 out of 10. For this one, is not my shade. I will also give it 6 out of 10. But for the foundation, hey, hey, for the foundation, y'all, this is the Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation. Yes, I love it. I give it 10 out of 10, you guys. 10 out of 10. I like what I see. I like how it feels on my face. Like, really, like, yes. Like I say, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna doll up too much or whatever. Try to, what's her name? Not going nowhere. But like I said, you can do so much with this, so much, and bring it to your level and build up. You can mix it with another foundation. You can mix the blush with another blush. Like if I wanted to do, like I have the duo of Nicka K, I can do this and mix it up and give me a perfect blend. It doesn't have to be as dramatic, or if you think it's not giving you that, it's how you work with the product. It's not how much the product costs. Some people can turn 5 cents into $100. So yeah, stuff they bought from the store and then turn it to so much more. So again, do not sleep on these stuff just because they're from dollar store and stuff like that. Oh no, I'm not going to dollar store. No, boo boo. Yes, you can. You can mix it. So from the beauty supply store, you can get stuff from there. Dollar Tree, online, department stores. You can do all of that. You guys, since I've been on this channel, I haven't been. Okay, you guys, my camera died again. So like I was saying, basically, is not how much you pay for this stuff, but it's how you work with the products. Definitely will recommend the foundation. For the other two, you can use your own discretion and your own opinion and see if something, but so for me, definitely we repurchase the foundation, but not the other two. So okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye now.